Hi gorgeous! So today we're getting ready together and I'm also gonna be answering the questions that you have for me. I have posted in an Instagram story if you had any questions. This week my parents-in-law are visiting us and later we're going out with them for dinner and I'm thinking about doing something colorful for the eyes. I'm gonna be using this palette by mcgrath. Maybe I should start applying makeup, otherwise I'm just gonna be talking and talking. First of all, we're going to share our plans for the holidays. Let me know in the comments what you're gonna do. Are you traveling? Are you eating somewhere? And I'm taking this elf primer. It is the Power Grip primer. It is like a slime. So for my plans, I'm going to be visiting my family. We're going to bake some brownies and eat a lot of food. I'm really looking forward to going somewhere with sunlight because it's been 2 weeks now in Berlin that we have gray sky without any sun. It's very difficult for me because I am a summer person. Summer, come back. Also, let me know if you have any traditions in your country. For example, in Greece and Cyprus, we are making a specific type of cookie with a lot of honey and it is called melomakarona. My mother is going to bake these before I go. I will contribute in eating. Okay, I think I applied too much primer. I'm taking now this Loreal Perfect Match Nude and I'm shaking it a little bit because I haven't used it in a while. All of the products that I'm using, I'm going to have them in the description box. So if I forget to mention them on camera, you know where to find them. I haven't decorated my house yet, so I really need to do that. And today I'm also wearing my merch. This is the design Nyawi Cat Mask. I'm also drinking coffee out of this mug here. This is one of the designs. I'm going to have a link in the description box below if you want to see all the other products. And this is how the t-shirt looks. It is super festive and cute. I love it. Oh my god, what happened to my nose? Oh well. So I'm going to continue with the serum foundation. And let's start with the questions, otherwise I'm gonna forget. Some of you have been asking me about my job and I have a question that has a lot of sub questions. So you have asked me, what job do you have? What do you do when not on YouTube? How is living away from home? 3 questions in one. Let's start with the job. My job is content creator. Basically, I'm creating content for social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It's not very easy to start doing this job because you're not getting any money. A lot of people don't know what exactly is this job, so I'm going to explain it. I think I need a brush for this product. The sponge is absorbing everything. I'm going to explain how I'm doing my job. Other people may have a different schedule. For example, I have filming days, editing days, also research days. And on my filming days, I'm trying to film 2 to 3 videos. This way I can be more productive. Also, it takes a lot of time to prepare to start your filming, like here. Sometimes I'm also doing a very light makeup look. Maybe for other people it is more productive to film and edit 1 video in a day. For me that doesn't work, so I prefer having filming days and editing days. So on editing days, what I'm doing is I'm editing my videos, and my favorite editing program is Final Cut Pro. A lot of times 1 video takes me 1 day to edit, and I'm not just editing the video, I'm also going to edit the thumbnail that you see. I'm also writing down the description box that you see underneath the videos. It's not the same for every video. I need to personalize it for the video. Personalize. Customize. I think the foundation looks nice. Very natural. Basically it is like a BB cream. It's not a foundation. I have 2 concealers here. I think I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild because the Nars one is darker. What else am I doing on my editing days? After editing the video, I'm also uploading it on YouTube. And if you have never posted a video on YouTube, there are some options that you need to select for every video, so I'm also doing that. Then I'm rewatching the video to see if there are any issues with the sound or maybe the video quality. With Final Cut Pro I never have this type of issues, but I used to use another program, and how's it called? DaVinci? I think it's called, yeah, I think it is DaVinci Resolve, and I was using that one 2 years ago because my previous laptop was very slow, and Final Cut Pro works only on Apple laptops, and you know it is very expensive to get a laptop by Apple. How's it called? Αγάπη, πώς λέγεται το computer μου?
Τι?
Το computer που έχω, πώς λέγεται?
MacBook Pro.
Oh, okay, thanks. MacBook Pro is very expensive to get, and I was trying to find an editing program. That's why I was using DaVinci Resolve. After exporting the videos, I had issues with the sound, and also I had glitches. The quality of the video basically was not right for me. In the end, I ended up buying a new MacBook Pro. That was an expensive year. After checking the video, I'm also scheduling when it is going live. So on YouTube you have some options like getting your video public right away, or you can schedule it. I prefer scheduling so that I don't forget. On the research days, I am doing research. Every day I'm watching videos on YouTube, and I write a lot of ideas in this notebook. I have more ideas than what I can film. So on my research days, I'm trying to decide which videos to film. Also, if they fit with my current content on my YouTube channel. Even if I like slime videos, am I gonna do a slime video? Every day I'm also replying back to emails that I'm getting from different brands. I'm also checking for the new makeup products, the new makeup releases. It wasn't easy for me to decide to become a full-time content creator. However, I don't regret it. I really like creating videos. Let's continue with the second part of the question, which is about my hobbies. I'm going to read it again. What do you do when not on YouTube? I like reading books. Now I am almost finished with the second book of He Who Hunts Monsters. I think. Just a second. I'm not sure about the title. Yeah, I was wrong. So, He Who Fights with Monsters. This is a fantasy book. I really like it. And it has some aspects of video games that I also like playing. Every day I'm trying to read at least 1 hour. Another thing that I like doing is cooking or finding recipes to meal prep. I really want to start meal prepping correctly. I think I can save a lot of time every week. I have also started drawing lessons. Oh my god, I am terrible. So I'm just going there to learn something new. I know that I'm not good at drawing, but you can see the difference between me and the other classmates. I really know nothing about drawing. I like going there because I'm not on my phone, and while drawing, you cannot be on your phone. I'm also a big fan of watching TV shows on Netflix, on Disney. Now I have also subscribed on a Chinese network because I have watched Love Between Fairy and the Devil on Netflix, and I became a huge fan of the main actress. By the way, it is a Chinese drama. I wanted to watch more TV shows with her. Also, they have variety shows that I love watching, and I have subscribed to a service. It is called iQIYI, I believe this is the pronunciation. If I'm killing it, I'm sorry. Currently, I'm watching a Chinese talent show. It is called Youth with You, and I'm watching season 2. I have also watched on Netflix The Wednesday with Wednesday Addams. I really liked that one as well. But we have only 8 episodes, which is not a lot. I have watched all of them during winter. Not winter, weekend. Well, it is a winter weekend. Oh my god. Another one of my hobbies is going out and finding new restaurants, but now it is so cold that I don't want to be out. And of course I'm watching YouTube videos. I like watching Get Ready With Me, makeup looks while I am hairstyling, or even eating or cleaning the house. Let me know in the comments, when are you watching makeup videos? At your lunch break or when? I have no other ideas. And the third part of the question is, how is living away from home? For me, home is my husband, but yeah, it is definitely not easy to live away from your family. It is a lot more difficult after the pandemic. Oh my god, this shade is not complementary with my face makeup. It's too bright. I'm going to take this shade as well. I hope I can make it more wearable. Okay, it's fine. Well, it is still very beaming. Now things are getting better. I think we're getting back to our normal way of living. Of course, it's not the same and you need to adjust to the changes. It wasn't easy for me in the beginning. However, now I'm trying to focus on the positive things. Spaceships are going to stop with my highlighter. Let's continue with the brows and the eyes, and maybe I can fix it somehow. Moving on to the second question. How are you? I hope you are in a good state of mind. Lots of love. First of all, lots of hearts and hugs to you. Thank you for asking. I'm fine, and I'm actually very excited for the Christmas markets. Even though I don't like the cold weather, I love the Christmas decorations, the glühwein. It's the first year that a lot of Christmas markets are gonna be open in Berlin. Last year we didn't have as many. For brows, I'm taking this Benefit Brow Palette. This is how it looks. Oops, it is upside down. And yeah, the brow zings. I'm going to take these two colors from the Christmas markets. I want to go and get some Stollen. It is a traditional German sweetbread, baked good. Yeah, sweetbread. Who says that? It feels a lot more Christmassy at my house when we have Stollen. My brows are getting thinner and thinner. If you have any tips for brow hair growth, let me know in the comments because I need them. And let's go to the next question, which is, are you interested in zodiac? And if yes, your thoughts about Cancerians? I'm taking this brow gel by NYX. I know absolutely nothing about zodiac signs. I can't say much about Cancerians. So my sign is Aries, you know. And my husband is Taurus. I think my sign is fire and my husband's is earth. I have read somewhere that we're not compatible. Even though I know nothing about zodiac signs, I really like any graphic designs with the constellations. If you know something more about zodiac signs, let me know in the comments. Are we compatible, Aries with Taurus? I have done the eye look on one eye because I had no clue what I was gonna do, and it would take me I'm losing my voice again. It would take me ages and ages to decide the colors. I'm going to be using this palette. It is the Artistry palette. No, what is the name? We don't have the name on here. I kept the box. So the name is Celestial Nirvana, and my husband bought me this palette. Every year he buys me a makeup product for the holidays. Last year he also got me the Odyssey palette that I really like, and you can actually still buy that one. You can find it on the German Sephora website, so maybe you can find it on more Sephora websites. I'm gonna post this eye look also on Shorts. I'm also gonna be doing a video about the palette, and I have done so far 3 eye looks with the palette. I'm gonna do one more and then I will post my review and the eye looks. I'm trying to find the questions again. Some of you have asked me, will you show us some nail tutorials? This is actually a very good question. One of the reasons that I decided to name my YouTube channel Vasilikis Beauty Tips was because I wanted to post makeup videos, nail tutorials, hair tutorials. In the end, I'm posting only makeup tutorials, makeup reviews. In the beginning, I didn't really know how to create makeup videos and all of the other videos. Basically, I knew nothing. I think I have on my channel one nail tutorial. It didn't get a lot of views. Oops, what is this? Ah, notification for my game. I'm playing a game. It is called, how's it called? June's Journey, and we have a meeting time with my teammates. That's why I have the notification. Okay, so about the nail tutorials. My first nail tutorial didn't go very well, so I thought maybe people don't like watching my nail tutorials. However, I really like nail polishes. I'm not doing very complicated nail designs on me. I was thinking about posting in shorts videos the nail combination colors that I have on my nails every 1 to 2 weeks. A lot of times I get comments, what is the nail polish that I have on my nails? Usually I have 2 colors. So let me know in the comments if you want to see nail tutorials. Maybe I can also post a video with my favorite brands of nail polishes, since I'm using all the time nail polishes. Now I'm taking this Rare Beauty mascara. It was in the Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar, and this one is in black. This is the first time that I'm using it. Okay, so it doesn't give crazy volume, but it is very uplifting. Also, it defines the lashes very nicely, and I like that it doesn't dry very fast, so I have time to keep up layering. On the lips now, I have this Juicy Bomb Shiny Lip Gloss by Essence in the shade 8 Pretty Plum, and I'm going to remove it and apply this one, this Huda Beauty lipstick. This is the cream lipstick in the shade Hustla, and this one gives such a beautiful glossy finish. I love the color, so comfortable on the lips. I think it goes very well with the eyes because I didn't want something intense on the lips. I'm ready for the dinner. The eye makeup turned out a little bit brighter. I actually like it a lot. I wanted to use this blue eyeshadow to match with the t-shirt. I hope that you liked this Get Ready With Me and Q&A video. You can watch next the unboxing of the Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar.